The best serving trays. The best serving trays can add a lot of class and style to your parties or even regular get-togethers. Available in various shapes, sizes, and colors, you can organize and carry any food item, from side dishes, fruits, and cookies to appetizers and beverages. The serving trays are made from various materials such as ceramic, glass, BPA-free plastic, or even fiber. You can get them as a set in various sizes or as a single piece as per your need. These are durable, easy to clean, by hand or dishwasher, and lightweight. If you are looking for a tray that is elegant and impressive, we have included a list of some popular serving trays to choose from as per your need. Number 1. Best Eco-Friendly Greenco Rectangle Bamboo Serving Tray. If you like wooden or bamboo serving trays, this product by Greenco is worth giving a try. The high-quality serving tray can be conveniently used to serve wine or beverages, dinner, lunch, breakfast, and a wide variety of other food items and appetizers. The rectangular serving tray measures approximately 16.5 inches, length by 10.5 inches, length by 2.35 inches, height. The serving tray can be easily hand-washed with warm water and a mild detergent or soap solution. Brush the tray with bamboo oil to make it durable. What we like. Eco-friendly and free of chemicals. Contains wide handles for better grip. Made from 100% natural bamboo. Tray lip prevents food from falling. Smooth build. Water resistant. What we don't like. Maybe smaller than expected. Wood may chip and peel over time. Number 2. Best Lightweight Home Redefined Rectangle Glossy Serving Tray. The rectangular tray by Home Redefined is elegance personified. Besides helping you serve beverages, snacks, appetizers, and other food items at parties or events, the serving tray can also be used to keep perfumes and colognes on display. The beautiful serving tray measures approximately 18 inches by 12 inches by 2 inches, and can also be used as a decorative piece on your countertop or tabletop. What we like. Durable faux leather and MDF construction. Lightweight and long-lasting. Comes with a thick border. Built-in handles for better grip. Helps serve food conveniently. Available in multiple colors. What we don't like. The tray may not be dishwasher safe. The vinyl lining may have air bubbles. Number 3. Best Shatter Resistant U.S. Acrylic Avant Plastic Serving Tray. If you are looking for a high-quality plastic serving tray, the product by U.S. Acrylic will not disappoint you. It is a set of 3 reusable white serving trays of the same measurement. The food serving trays are lightweight and can be used to serve snacks, desserts, or appetizers during parties and events. The trays measure 15 inches by 10 inches and can be stacked together, thereby requiring minimum storage space. What we like. Shatter resistant. Smooth finish. Top rack. Dishwasher safe. Available in 2 sizes. BPA-free. Made of food-grade plastic. What we don't like. May not be suitable for carrying heavy items. May be smaller than expected. Number 4. Best Grip Lipper International 1165 Acacia Curved Serving Tray. The serving tray by Lipper International comes with a beautiful curved design, made of premium quality acacia wood. The wood tray is known for its sturdiness and optimal performance. The food serving tray measures 19.88 inches by 14 inches by 2.5 inches and lets you serve breakfast in bed or snacks at parties without creating any mess or spillage. It can be easily hand-washed or wiped clean with a damp cloth. What we like. Cutout handles for a comfortable and good grip. Recessed surface to reduce slipping. Large surface area. Can be paired with light and dark colors to suit any space. What we don't like. May not be refrigerator friendly. The color may be lighter than expected. Number 5. Best Certified New Star Foodservice Round Food Serving Tray. The round serving tray by New Star Foodservice can be conveniently used to carry food bowls, beverages, and plates at parties, banquets, and similar events. The serving tray comes with an absorbent and rubbery surface for the safe transport of delicate crockery and glassware. Unlike many other serving trays, the product is lightweight and resistant to odor as well as stains. It is recommended to hand wash the non-slip tray or cleanse it with a damp cloth. What we like. Made of premium commercial grade plastic. NSF certified. Lightweight and durable. Anti-slip surface. Raised edge design. What we don't like. May be smaller than you expect. May not be stain proof. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.